Everybody is happy today. Dogecoin is pumping 13.3%. The market is absolutely skyrocketing. The memes are running and the market is a pumping. Let's find out what the charts say. And here is the beast currently trading at 10 cents. This is Dogecoin on the daily chart trading against USDT. So currently at 10 cents and we're at a rejection point here. What we're going to do is we're going to build in our rejection point. We said anything around about 5.5 cents was fair value for Dogecoin. And look at it now, doubled already. So within a matter of weeks, it's absolutely pumped. So we're at a key resistance level. We've got a key opponent to overcome. And in my opinion, we need some kind of a catalyst to overcome, to break this resistance level for it to flip support. Because if you look at the indicators, the stochastic RSI, that's overbought and that's on the daily. You look at the 3-day chart, that's overbought. And then you look at the weekly chart, that's overbought. So higher time frame, we're overbought and we're overextended. So we do need that catalyst. And we're going to talk about what could be that catalyst very shortly. I've got some news for you. So why is it important that we've had this break? We've been tracking this on the channel for some time now. This is the big break that went nearly from the start of the bear market. Look how far this goes back. Goes back to 12th of December 2021. So we had the start of the bear in November 2021, and we had a confirmation in December 2021 when it created its lower high. And we've been tracking it and tracking it and tracking it. This was a significant break. So what we want to do is we want to look at key areas as far as where the pullback's concerned, because we know that we're overheated. The RSIs are telling us we're overheated and we need a pullback. What we need is a pullback in the RSI and a pullback in price action. But how far is price action going to pull back, and what key areas are we looking at? First key area that we're looking at is the 8,750, just under 9 cents. So that's the first key area that I'm building in. That's the 382, and I'm going to tell you why that's important. Second one is 0.07571, so 7.5 cents, and that's the 618 retracement. So we'll get rid of our Fibonacci tool, and we've got these key areas built in here. So what we can do is we can just track these back to see how many times these got a reaction in the past. And you can look here. This is a significant area. This has been respected a few times, so you can see that price does react at this level. And then we've got the 618 level, which is exactly the same. See how price is respected at this level here. Price is respected at this level here. So we've got the 618 retracement. If price action pulls back to the 618, might not pull back to the 618, guys, because in an uptrend, when you've got an aggressive trend like this and the market's moving, the 382 tends to be that retracement level that sticks. And a lot of the time, it's a quick wick down. So you get something quick wick and then straight back up, bought back up, and then continue to the upside. But we do need that catalyst to be able to break this resistance level. We do need the indicators to start pulling back. So if we get a stochastic RSI on here, what you're looking for is a pullback to these zones here. How far is this pullback when you get to these zones? How far is it pulled back when you get to the 382? How far is it pulled back when you get to the 618? If it comes all the way back, this RSI here comes all the way back down and price action breaks this low, you know there's something wrong. You know there's a break in trend and you know something's happening. But you've got to respect the trend, because the trend is your friend, my friend, until the bend at the end. And we're now starting to get a clearer picture. We know where the key opponent lies. We know it's 10 cents. We know that we've got momentum with the bulls in the short term, and we've had this big, long break. So we've got momentum. We're waiting a pullback. And we're waiting to see how far the pullback is in accordance with these indicators. So we want the stochastic RSI to pull back, and we want this to come back and test our key levels. This is why laddering in is important, so you can bring your average down. And that's what I'm looking for, but we need a catalyst to break through this 10-cent level. This 10 cents is a psychological level. 10 cents is a psychological number that people are going to be taking profits on. And they took profits here, they took profits here, and they're taking profits here. So we need a catalyst to overcome that, and we need some fundamental news to drive the Doge price forward. And this is what I found, guys. Shocking hidden Dogecoin detail in Elon Musk's new product, Cybertruck's website code. So there's been code that's been integrated into Elon Musk's website, into the Tesla website, so you can pay with Doge. It's not officially been announced, but if it was announced tomorrow, what would happen to the Doge pop price? I want to ask you that question, guys, because Elon Musk is known for pumping Doge, and that potentially could be the catalyst. So let's see how far the pullback is. Let's monitor it. I'll keep an eye on this. And remember, guys, community is the key, because knowledge is your best asset. And I want to make life-changing wealth for this run and the next bull run. And I want you to share that with me, guys. I want to share my knowledge and teach you everything I know. So if you want more fundamental, if you want more technical, if you want more price action, whatever it is that you want, I want this community to drive this forward. And while we're talking about community, We're on 4,820 subscribers. Let's try and get to 5,000 before the end of the year. And I appreciate each and every single one of you. See you in the next vid.